In this video, we are going to see about how to authenticate your login form with the help of Google. In the last video, we talked about how to authenticate your form with the help of email and password. So this is my basic HTML page with some CSS. This code I have provided in my website. You can go through it if you want. And let's start with it. Here I have script type, which has a module and a script tag. Here we will write the code. So for this, you have to go to Firebase. In Firebase website, you have to go to console. If you have created a project with me in the first video, then you can just go in the same project or you can add on to the project. I'm using the same one. After clicking on it, you have to go to the project setting, project overview, then project setting. In the scroll down, we have three options: npm, cdn, and config. I'm going with npm. I already have script tag this here, so I will be copying this code, copy this, and paste it over here. Next thing you have to do is go to the documentation page of Firebase. In documentation, you will come here in build, and then in authentication. In authentication, you will come and scroll down to Google. In this, we already have this page here. So just scroll down and you can see create an instance of Google provider object. In this, what you have to do is grab this import, paste it over here below this, paste. And this same link, you have to copy it and paste it over here. One thing you will change here is that instead of app, we will write auth. Okay. Next thing you have to grab this const provider equal to new Google auth provider and write it here with the const variables. So after this, it's okay, all done. Now here you can, as you can see, the second step is optional and third step is also optional. But for now, we want this get auth. After grabbing this get auth, you just have to paste it over here with the Google provider and just put a comma over here. It will grab the authentication. Grab this constant auth equal to get auth, come below and paste it over here. One thing you have to do here is you have to write application. The fourth step is also optional. We are skipping over here. Now to sign in with the help of Google, you have two options which Firebase provide, that is sign in with pop-up. It will create a window, pop-up window, and the next second step is to create sign in page called sign in with redirect. We will use this method, sign in with redirect. Same method goes for pop-up also. If you want sign in with pop-up, you can just copy this code, and if you want sign in with redirect, just copy over here. After this, grab this sign in with redirect, copy and paste it over here. Okay, good. Now scroll down and you can also retrieve the Google provider's OAuth token by calling get redirect result. So we want this. So we will grab this one and similarly put a comma over here and paste it. And you have to create an event listener. We are using login here. Why? Because in this button we have an ID of login, which is for this. When we click over here, it has an ID of login and we are calling an event. Grab this one, sign in with redirect auth and provider, copy this and paste it over here. And then get this, get redirect result, copy this code and paste. Then what you have to do is grab this localhost and then add it in authentication page. And then settings, in settings go to authorized domain and add your domain here. We grabbed it from here, localhost this, copy this domain and paste it here and add it. I already have it here, localhost. Then it's all good to go. And when you click on this, it will work. Look, it's loading, and then I get the redirect page asking me to sign in with my emails, and I'm clicking on it. Okay, so I am signed in. And when you come in authentication page, you can see here that yes, you have successfully logged in or signed in with the help of Google. And if you want to delete this or some users from your project, click on the option and delete account. This is all for this video.